Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another edition of Tank Tries. And today we'll be trying another Smart Ones brand. This is Mexican flavored chicken enchilada. I like enchiladas. I've not had I prefer them like at a restaurant of some sort of like a Mexican style restaurant. And I'm just curious how it would be taste as a microwavable meal type. So, I microwaved this up before I started filming, and I have corn now. Okay, see? There are two little enchiladas and some sauce around them. So, they got like rice and looks like rice, corn, some looks like maybe green peppers and stuff inside this. So first I'm gonna actually give this a try. This is like just the rice and kind of the sauce. Okay, that's not bad. Now I'm going to cut a piece off of the enchilada here itself and kind of get, there we go, like a mixture of different, the cheese, sauce, and the corn and all that stuff. It is good in its own right. Not as good as like homemade or from the restaurant, but yeah, I'd eat this again. I'd get this brand again. It's actually really tasty. So, if I to rate this, I would have to give this a good solid 6. So, sorry, the window is open and, you know, vehicles have engines. It's really, really good. So, I do recommend. I do. Go out and pick yourselves up a Smart Ones chicken enchilada. Mexican style chicken enchilada flavored. So, till next time, my friends and fans, I am Tank, signing off. You guys have a wonderful day and stay fucking awesome. Peace out.